Hello and welcome to PD Classes. I am Supman Kaur and today we are going to conduct an banking interview with Yashashwini Soni. She is going to help me. So let's get started. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Shubham Khungar and my name means auspicious, and I'm very much similar to that as I am a philanthropist and very good at relationship building.
Very nice.
I did my graduation from Indraprasth University and I did an internship in BSNL and I have a MATLAB certification.
Okay.
And my aim is to make a career in banking sector.
What are your hobbies?
I love watching inspirational stuff and meeting new personalities.
Okay. So what are your major strengths?
I'm an amiable person and I'm an optimistic personality. So I can adapt according to the need of the company and have a very versatile nature.
Very nice. Your graduation is from which field?
BTech Electronics and Communication.
Okay. So you are graduated from BTech. Okay. So why did you choose banking as your career option?
I think banking is a potential sector, and banks provide working in regularity in a working environment which keeps us from free from rusting. And bank also provide various facilities, one of which is the monetary aspects, which I think is very much necessary for an individual.
Okay. Which bank are you aiming for?
I am aiming for SBI
Why?
because I think SBI is the largest public sector bank in India.
Okay. So how would your selection justify? How would you justify your selection by working in SBI?
I think I will justify your selection because I can work hard and I can adapt according to the situation. I will.
Okay. You can please put your
Okay.
question.
Tell us something about SBI.
So SBI was formed in 1955. The Imperial Bank of India was converted to SBI.
We know about the history. Tell us something about new, like what current policies they have.
SBI has the highest number of NPAs in the Indian market.
Okay.
So yes, this is I think and
Okay.
SBI also introduced the YONO app.
Okay.
Okay. What are your weaknesses?
Basically I have a very bad handwriting and I think my English speaking is not up to the mark.
So what are you doing to improve your?
I'm still watching like English movies or English news channels and I'm interacting with my friends in English. So
Okay.
basically to
Okay.
improve my spoken English.
Tell me about your family.
We are 4 members in our family. My father has a shop of building material and my mother is a housewife. I have a younger sibling. She is still pursuing her MBBS.
So your father is a businessman and your sister will be a doctor soon, and you wanted to be a banker. Okay. So your family is full of diversity.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, so what do you do in your free time?
I love to watch the inspirational videos available on the YouTube or basically the stuff like that, or stuff related to financing or marketing.
Whose
Okay.
YouTube channel do you follow the most?
There is a channel under the name of Goalcast. So
Okay.
there is a writer, I think, Poor Dad, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The book
Okay.
is written by him. So basically, they are giving his videos.
Okay.
How you will manage your stress?
I think you need to prioritize the task in hand when there is a much stress upon you. So the prioritizing things can be helpful in a stressful situation.
Okay.
Can you handle immediate assignments? Like in bankings, you will be given immediate assignments.
I think my BTech has helped me in that you are given immediate assignments. You have to submit the assignment the next day, or
Okay.
basically, yes, I have done this task before. I think I can handle that quite efficiently.
Very nice. So when did you decide that you wanted to be a banker?
So during my graduation, it was quite clear that I am not much interested in the technical stuff.
Okay.
So I need to explore my option, and I just explored the market, and the banking sector interested me a lot because
Okay.
banking is a potential sector. You gain the regard of the society. It gives you a quite good reputation. Your financial aspects are managed by the bank, and so this is.
You have not entered the doors of a bank for working, right?
For like I am not.
You will be working after this election. You have done your internships not in banking, right?
Yeah.
So what if you come in banks and you that work do not you feel bored with that work? Will you like to explore more? Will you leave the banking
I
sector
think I
or
have
not?
explored enough to
Okay.
I have made my mind with according to the banking sector.
Okay.
What are the qualities which makes you different from the other in banking sector?
Which made me different from the
Others from in banking sector
In
basically.
context
like
of banking
PO,
sector, like that, the qualities that help us for your
to select
selection.
you.
Yeah.
Like I've said, I mean like meeting new personalities,
Okay.
and I'm a quick learner. I learn new things from meeting the successful personalities. I adapt these personalities in me, so basically they can help me in long term or in my work or basic.
Whom did you met this week and what did you learn from that person?
I did met a person in my hometown, and he was going for spoken English classes. So
Okay.
I did something. He was not good at it, but before joining the classes, but within a week he was, I think, very fluent in English. So that hard work, I can see how much work he did on his spoken English.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think this is your second day in PD classes, right?
Yes.
So how are you feeling? Like the expectations with the expectations you enter the doors of PD classes, do you think that are justified?
Yes, I think the interview is a very stressful situation. So these interviews are preparing me for the final interview I have to give in SBI. So
Okay.
I think this will be quite helpful in the final situation.
So last year, unfortunately, you were unable to clear the interview. So do you think that this year PD classes are gonna help you to maintain your confidence?
Yes,
Because
I think I have practiced enough, and I will practice in the coming 3 or 4 days. So eventually it will help me in cracking the interview.
Okay. Any more question?
Yeah. Okay. Are you comfortable with Manoj sir? Do you want to say something about him?
Yes, I am quite comfortable with sir, and
Okay.
I think he is doing a great job. And I know I still don't have much confidence in the interview, but comparing me with 2 days back or the 3 days back, I still gained very much, in the spoken English, or basically in the confidence in me. So I think the coming 3-4 days, he will, guide me according to that.
That's good.
Very nice. Any more question?
No.
Okay guys, so this was for the video. We hope that you are learning new things from the video. We hope your all the queries are being satisfied, and still if you do have any doubts, please write them in the comment section. Your queries will be answered soon. Thank you very much. You are well eligible